Aloha! Welcome to Honolulu, where the sun is always shining, the waves are always crashing, and the aloha spirit is alive and well. Get your most comfortable flip-flops or walking shoes ready. We're taking you on an epic walking tour through this tropical paradise. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we've got a day packed with fun, facts, and a whole lot of wow. First stop is Waikiki Beach, the crown jewel of Honolulu. This iconic stretch of sand is world famous for its beautiful shores, clear waters, and vibrant atmosphere. Ready to soak up some sun and surf? Let's dive into the fun at Waikiki. Getting here is a breeze. If you're staying in Waikiki, it's likely within walking distance. Did you know that Waikiki means spouting waters in Hawaiian? This sandy paradise was once a playground for Hawaiian royalty. Today, it's a hotspot for tourists and locals alike. And with views like this, it's easy to see why. Waikiki is the perfect place to catch your first wave. There are plenty of surf schools along the beach where you can take a lesson and learn to ride like a pro. Not a surfer? No problem. There are plenty of other activities to enjoy. Rent a paddleboard, try snorkeling, or simply relax on a beach chair with a good book. You can even rent a swan floatai if you're feeling extra fabulous. If you're in the mood for some shopping, Waikiki has got you covered. From high-end boutiques to quaint souvenir shops, you can find everything from designer beachwear to tiki trinkets. Just don't forget to grab a Hawaiian shirt. It's a must-have. After you soaked up the sun and surf at the iconic Waikiki Beach, it's time to swap sand for safari and head over to one of Honolulu's wildest attractions, the Honolulu Zoo. The zoo is right where the stretch of Waikiki Beach ends. Once you reach Waikiki Beach Wall, head east to Kapahulu Avenue. The zoo is a quick 5 to 10 minute walk. So close, even a tortoise could make the trip. This 42-acre zoo is home to over 900 animals from the tropics. And here's a fun fact. It's the only zoo in the United States that was established by a sovereign monarch, King Kalakaua himself. The zoo features several sections. There's the African savanna, where you'll find majestic giraffes, zebras, and rhinos roaming in spacious enclosures. It's like taking a mini safari without leaving Honolulu. There's also the primate islands, where you lemurs, colobus monkeys, and siamang gibbons. These playful primates are always up to something, so keep your camera ready for some monkey business. If you're feeling chirpy, check out the bird sanctuary, home to a colorful array of feathered friends. From flamingos to parrots, this exhibit is a birdwatcher's paradise. For those who love the slithery and slimy, the reptile and amphibian complex is a must-visit. Here, you'll find everything from giant tortoises to venomous snakes. It's like a Jurassic Park experience, minus the dinosaurs and the running for your life. And lastly, if you have the little ones with you, the Keiki Zoo is perfect for kids, offering hands-on experiences and close encounters with friendly farm animals. It's like a petting zoo on steroids, but in the best possible way. Just watch out for the goats. They like to nibble. After having a wild time meeting the exotic residents of the Honolulu Zoo, it's time to dive into an underwater adventure at the Waikiki Aquarium. To get there, head south along Kalakaua Avenue. It shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to get there by walking, even with little ones in tow. While you stroll along Kalakaua Avenue, enjoy the beautiful beachfront views and the bustling atmosphere of Waikiki. To your right, you'll pass Kapiolani Park, perfect for a quick picnic or a game of frisbee. But don't get too sidetracked. We've got marine life to meet. Established in 1904, Waikiki Aquarium is one of the oldest aquariums in the United States. With over 3,500 marine animals representing more than 490 species, this place is a treasure trove of underwater wonders. Check out the aquarium's several exhibits. First, there's the Hawaiian monk seal exhibit, which features adorable and endangered seals native to the Hawaiian Islands. Here's a fun fact. They spend 2/3 of their lives at sea. Talk about dedicated beach bums. Say aloha to our flippered friends. Then there's also the coral reef exhibit. Here, you'll find vibrant corals, colorful reef fish, and even a few sea anemones. It's like snorkeling in the warm waters of Hawaii, but without getting your hair wet. Feeling clammy? Check out the giant clams exhibit. These massive mollusks can grow up to 4 feet in length and weigh over 500 pounds. They're like the bodybuilders of the underwater world. Minus the gym selfies. You will also be mesmerized by the jellyfish exhibit and the edge of the reef exhibit, which lets you get up close and personal with tidal critters. Worked up an appetite after all that walking and exploring? Brace to do more walking and you'll be rewarded with a sumptuous lunch at the Diamond Head Market and Grill. To get there, walk back north along Kalakaua Avenue. Then take a left onto Montserrat Avenue. Keep walking that road. The smell of grilled goods will be your best guide. Time to feast. Grab an outdoor table and enjoy your meal with a view of Diamond Head in the background. Aside from grilled dishes, be sure to check out their fresh-baked goodies. Everything from scones to brownies to mochi. The combination of great food and beautiful surroundings is pure aloha. Just be prepared to fend off some friendly pigeons. They're foodies too. After fueling up with some amazing eats at Diamond Head Market and Grill, now, it's time to burn off those calories with a hike to one of Hawaii's most iconic landmarks, Diamond Head State Monument. To get there, head east on Montserrat Avenue, then take a right onto Diamond Head Road. Luahi Millennium Peace Garden would welcome you to the premises. Once there, continue walking until you get to Kahala Lookout, where you'll be ushered to the Diamond Head Tunnel. This volcanic crater is one of Hawaii's most iconic landmarks, offering breathtaking views of Honolulu and the Pacific Ocean. The hike to the summit is moderately challenging, but the reward is worth every step. First things first, make sure to bring water and sunscreen. The trail is about 1.6 miles round trip and takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to complete. It's a bit of a workout, but the views from the top are absolutely worth it. As you hike up the trail, enjoy the scenic switchbacks and the lush greenery. You'll pass through a couple of tunnels and climb a flight of stairs, so pace yourself and take in the sights. And don't forget to snap some photos along the way. This place is Instagram gold. Once you make it to the top, the view from the summit is breathtaking. You can see all of Honolulu, Waikiki Beach, and the endless expanse of the Pacific Ocean. It's like standing on top of the world, but with way more aloha. Take a moment to soak it all in. You've earned it. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of the crossroads of the Pacific. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.